Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add contact info on your YouTube channel. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are logged into your YouTube account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Go to YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, click on Customization. Go to Basic Info tab. Scroll down to Contact Info section. In the email field section, enter your email address. Click on Publish. That's it. Changes has been saved. Now go to your channel URL and navigate to About section. As you can see, your contact info has been added. Now your viewers can contact you for business enquiries. This is how you can add contact info on your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.